Hello everyone, my name is Rodney. I'm from Formula Lookout, and in today's video, we're going to go through a post from a Monday user in the community, and we see here that they're asking about connecting sub items to another board. So let's go through this, and there are some follow-up posts from other users as well. So we see here that the original post is asking how to link sub items with another board. So it looks like he already created a connect boards and then tried to connect to the sub-items of a board, but it is not indicated in a possible selection. However, sometimes there's a possibility to select the board sub-items of board X. So it looks like there is a inconsistencies in what he's seeing as to the functionality of the connect boards column. Okay, so he was addressed actually by a Monday.com team member he can do that, but when he tried that again in here, it's still not working. So it's pretty much annoyed about what's happening. So our team member here asked him to reach out to support if he needs help, and then some months later we see that there are two other Monday users who posted another use case related to it. So they're asking if there's a workaround to connect the sub items to an existing board columns in another board. So is there any workaround to connect? So we built, it looks like they're using a advanced time tracking. All right, and there's a time tracking for every customer, in which case each customer has a board, and then all of them are synced through the others are synced through a process to one of an overview board. So that gives them a better view of reporting. They don't use dashboard. It looks like this is better for them. And now he's encountering another concern, because this time what he wants is to have the sub items connected. Right now I need to connect the sub items. Another one is asking to connect sub item to sub item. So here let's show you. Actually, we have a similar setup in here. We have board A, B, and C. All right, as you can see, board board A has these columns. Board B has additional columns that are underlined with green for the connect boards column and the mirror column. And we have board C, which also has that. Okay, actually board C is a duplicate of board B. Okay, so it has the same setup. But what we want to show you is that we can actually set up the syncing of regular items and the sub items without the need for the connect boards column and the mirror column, and that's through using same item multiple boards. So if you don't have that installed yet, let me show you. This is how it looks like. Just go ahead and go to the Monday marketplace and then look for the app same item multiple boards and install it. So here I have use app because it's already installed, and then once you install it, you'll be asked to authorize the app to access your Monday account or to make changes. Once you've gone through that process, you can go back to your boards and use the app. So here's how you're going to use it. On a item level, you can actually, let's go to board C and make an item, a regular item, time tracking one. Okay, so let's say this is the item and we want it to be synced as a regular item to another board. So once you have the same item multiple boards installed, all you have to do is to add an item view for that app, add to item. Okay, and then next you'll have to add that to the other board. All right, so from board C we're adding it to board B. Okay, so earlier you saw, before we do that, let me show you board B. All right, board B, we don't have time tracking one, so we're just adding it now. Okay, and then through this app we're going to add that. We're going to look for that board item, board B. Okay, and then just the first group. So with this, you'll notice that I didn't have to actually create a connect boards column. All I did is install the app and then link that to the board that I desire to be linked So here we can see that it's linked to board B already. Right, let's check board B, and we should be able to see it here. Time tracking 1. Oh, okay, sorry, I think that's the wrong board. There's another board B in here. Let me do that again. Right, so you notice that actually I can do multiple syncing. So let me show you board B and not board dash B. So this is board dash B. Okay, this one. So that's why I kind of noticed why there are two groups. Okay, so now we're adding it to board dash B. I am not removing board B so that I can demonstrate as well that you can actually have it sync to multiple boards, more than 1, 2, or how many boards you'd like to have it sync. All right, let's just wait for it. Okay, now we see that there's an alert saying new item added. So when you're syncing it, make sure that you have that alert before you move forward. So let's check board dash B. Okay, so board dash B now has time tracking. Oh, actually doubled up. Okay, so from here, let's check. Let's change to working on it. And change to working on it. Okay, so you can see that this is sync. All right, on a item level. So another post that was that we checked earlier is asking if it's available on a sub item level. So what we can do is let's go back to the item that we're syncing and turn on shared sub items. All right, so let's say we're tracking the time, sub item. Let's see if this will show up on the other board. Okay, there you go. So you can see, we can see that it showed up in here, and it's syncing on a sub item level as well. So this is how you're going to use same item multiple boards on your boards, whether you're tracking time or you just want it to sync for your board. So I'm going to we're going to publish this video, and we're going to share it to our monthly users who are asking about it. Right, again, this is Rodney, and I'm from Formula Lookout. Have a nice day.